I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KENYAFIED right now. Now, I just want to shout out my brick of the week, that being Ellen Malone. Ellen is only a few pounds away from her 20-pound milestone. So congratulations, Ellen, and congratulations to the rest of the bricks who have just crushed it this week. What's going on? What's going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. Look, and today is going to be an awesome day because why? We gonna dominate. I'm just saying we gonna dominate this day. So look, I'm gonna give you a move of the day, but before I do that, do a couple of things for me, okay? First of all, if you want me to text you Monday through Friday to give you a move of the day or some inspiration or some motivation and all that other good stuff, do me a favor. Text 313-131 using keyword KENYAFIED, and I'm gonna send you a message to your phone Monday through Friday and all that other good stuff and give you some alerts like whenever I pop up and do like a live workout and stuff like that. So make sure you hit me right now. Also too, if you're trying to lose 60 pounds in the next 3 months, you're trying to be poochless, you're trying to star on that show called The Young and the Poochless, make sure you get the super stomach shredder membership. Either you can DM me, hashtag SSS, or go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com and let's get this thing again. Spring is on the way, summer is coming, and I want to get you ready. And also too, if you're trying to try it out, if you want to see what the online workout program is like, you can also get 7 free days of online workouts. Go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com, look for the 7-day challenge, or you can DM me, hashtag 7-day challenge, and we rock it. And I'm going to give you 7 free days, and after your trial is over, it's only $1 a day to hang on and to hang out with me, $30 a month. So, look, you got 3 things you can do. So, look, definitely get that Super Stomach Shredder membership, and let me give you your move of the day. I'm gonna need a 30 count for the upper body and the lower body, okay? So, it looks like this, okay? Oh, also, to make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the bell. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and click see all so you don't miss nothing. Okay, cool. Now I'm good. Now, let me show you what I need, okay? So give me a 30 count. So it'll be here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, that's 30. But you say, Coach, I can't hold myself up. Shoot. You can't hold yourself up. Get a chair, get a stool, and you can do the same move here. Boom. So you can just be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the gist. You get the gist. Now, let me give you something good. So I need the lower half too. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boom. And if you can't do it like that, use the chair. Use the chair. Help yourself up. You can be here. Boom. You can use the chair to help you up. Boom. Get me 30. Get me 30. And if you got me, say I got you, coach. Look, also too, just in case I failed to mention it, I want to say congratulations to my brick of the week. My brick of the week is Ellen Malone. She's only a few pounds away from a 20-pound milestone, and she's crushing it. She's killing it. Ellen, if you're watching this, I'm sending you the massage envy. Enjoy yourself. I'm gonna make sure you're good. So that's what's up. Now, life homework. Life homework. Attack your goals. Attack your goals. Stop waiting on stuff to happen. I need for you to start making stuff happen. I need for you to start playing life on offense. Stop playing life on defense. Start attacking the things that you want. That's why writing your goals is so important, because when you constantly keep your goals in front of you, you have no other choice but to attack them versus writing it down once a year, forgetting all about it, and now 12 months later, you're pledging to do the same thing that you pledged to do before. No. I need for you to ring this thing up, and I need for you to close some stuff out in your life. Stop letting stuff linger. Start attacking your goals. And if you got me, say I got you, coach. That's the theme of the day. That's the theme of the week. Start attacking your stuff. Deal? And if you got me, in the comment section, do me a favor. Once this video is over, put I got you, coach. And then when you've done this thing, put hashtag done for the move and for the homework. So come back after the broadcast is over and put I got you, coach, and put hashtag done. And also I'm going to put a link for you to go to KENYACrooksNetwork.com so you can get the Super Stomach Shredder membership. And you can also get the 7-day online workout challenge. So let's get it. Love y'all. Let's dominate. Let's be great. And let's attack your goals. Deal? Let's get it.